English-Tagalog Sentence Translation, Lesson number 5. The police signaled us to pull in. The police signaled us to pull in. Kahulugan, sinenyasan kami ng pulis na tumabi. Don't ask silly questions. Don't ask silly questions. Huwag ka ngang magtanong ng mga walang kakwenta-kwenta. Do you have a spare ticket? Do you have a spare ticket? May sobrang ticket ka ba? I was just about to text you. I was just about to text you. Iti-text pa lang kita. Write this down. Write this down. Isulat mo to. I have ran out of gas. I have ran out of gas. Naubusan ako ng gas. I will be a little late. I will be a little late. Medyo malilate ako. I'll wait 2 minutes, then I'm going. I'll wait 2 minutes, then I'm going. Maghihintay ako ng 2 minuto, tapos aalis na ako. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? Nakuha mo ba ang punto ko? I have lost my appetite. I have lost my appetite. Nawala na ako ng gana. We have to queue up to pay for the fruits. We have to queue up to pay for the fruits. Kailangan nating pumila para mabayaran ang mga prutas. How long will you be? How long will you be? Gaano ka katagal? Remind me later. Remind me later. Ipaalala mo sa akin mamaya. It doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter anymore. Hindi na mahalaga yon. I accepted the job offer. I accepted the job offer. Tinanggap ko ang alok na trabaho. Don't let go. Don't let go. Huwag kang bibitiw. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Huwag mo kong sisihin. Have you tried calling her? Have you tried calling her? Sinubukan mo na ba siyang tawagan? Please stop talking. Please stop talking. Tumigil ka na sa pagsasalita. O kaya, manahimik ka. I need a haircut. I need a haircut. Kailangan ko ng magpagupit. Let me know when you arrive. Let me know when you arrive. Sabihan mo ako kapag dumating ka na. Just wait over there. Just wait over there. Maghintay ka lang doon. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting. Pasensya na pinaghintay kita. Be honest with me. Be honest with me. Maging honest ka nga sa akin. Skip to the next song. Skip to the next song. Ilipat mo sa susunod na kanta. How did you find out about the sale? How did you find out about the sale? Paano mo nalaman ng sale? I'll support you 100%. I'll support you 100%. Susuportahan kita ng buong buo. You're getting confused. You're getting confused. Nalilito ka na. Could you take a picture of me, please? Could you take a picture of me, please? Pwede mo ba akong picturan? Close the door when you leave. Close the door when you leave. Isara mo ang pinto pag alis mo. I want to get along with everyone. I want to get along with everyone. Gusto kong makasundo ang lahat ng tao. I have a secret to tell you. I have a secret to tell you. May sikreto akong sasabihin sa'yo. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Hayaan mong pag-isipan ko yan. Where can I wash my hands? Where can I wash my hands? Saan ako pwedeng maghugas ng kamay? Be careful when you go outside. Be careful when you go outside. Mag-ingat ka kapag lumalabas ka. Ask me anything. Ask me anything. Tanungin mo ako ng kahit na ano.